What's going on, guys? I am back with another video. I know it's been forever since I made one, but we actually have a pretty good install for the Nismo. Can you guys guess what it is? If you can, comment down below. I think no one actually gonna get this one right, but I'm finna tell you guys. Should I tell you or should I just show you? I think I should show you. Right here. Can you guess what it is? Bam! Ooh, buddy. So the reason I actually got those lights, I actually got them on discount since we are hooked up. Well, gentlemen just got the hookup with Morimoto. We actually get them at discounted price. These, I got tired of them. I actually I messed up on them. As you can see, all that condensation on the inside, and it happens every single time. I resealed it, and it's the same exact problem, but we wouldn't have that problem anymore. So today we're gonna install them. Install them and get it rolling. Hopefully they look way better than this. I know for a fact they will. So as of right now, I'm gonna open them up and I am gonna take off the bumper, all that other good stuff, and I'll show you guys how to install them. All right, guys, now that the bumper's taken off, man, I feel like I need a brand new bumper. This one's already busted. Look at all this. I think it's busted, man. Oh, also shout out to my girlfriend for that. She got me the emblems. But here's the car. Don't mind all the blue tape because, you know, all this, the absorber, I should always fucking comes off and you can see it right through the little opening of the bumper. But I did this. I also need to get some new filters. These I had them there for a long ass time, or actually upgrade them to the racing intakes from Z1. But here's the car. Everything's already taken apart as of now. Now I just gotta take off all the bolts and all that other crap to take it off. You know the drill as far as that goes. Damn it! I should probably pick these up. Well, I'll just put them right here. Hopefully I don't lose them. But now to the good part. Let's open them and see what they look like. Let's open them together. Ooh. And I should have got this way before when they came out. But one thing you always do when you do get new lights, always make sure that this little corner back here and back over there, it's in good condition, because they always tend to mess up or crack, you know? I don't even want to take this off, to be honest. No, it's not coming off. There it goes. So that's good. Now this one, I have someone that can hold it up for me. That's in good condition. We're rolling on that. Wait. Nope, actually we're not. Look at this. Bro, no way. There's just no way this happened. Yo, look at this. That actually broke off. You see? See what I'm telling you, man? Do you see what I'm trying to tell you? But that's how this also good. Man, that fucking sucks, yo. That really sucks. But now, let's see this one. I gotta hit them up, man, because that is just not right. You know what I'm saying? Let's open up this one right here. Same thing. That's good. Hardware is in here. That part is good. Now let's see this right here. You see? This one's on there. But let's see how this goes. See if I can get another one coming, and we'll continue the video from there. Alright, guys, so now we're back. I had to figure out something. I had to hit up one of my homies that got the hookup with the lights. Of course, I can see the light looks freaking beautiful. I actually got this part right here blacked out, which is pretty dope. I don't know if you can barely see it right there. Instead of being orange, looks way better like that. But I had kind of fixed it in a sense. I just gotta wait for it to dry. I don't know if that looks crooked or not. Does it look crooked to y'all? But I got it on here. I'm just gonna wait for that, for all the like the sealant to of course seal or to dry out. Make sure I put it all the way in there. So it is all the way in there. You see it? Managed to mix it with JB Weld. You can never go wrong with JB Weld. Put a little bit of each in here, mix it up, and call it a day. No, it's coming off. It's coming off. Let me apply some more on here, and then find something that can hold it up together, so we can, of course, we can leave it there by itself. We'll be right back. All right, guys, we are actually back now. Now that I got this damn headlight fixed. Now, I just took out the old one. Had to remove all the wiring because, you know, I did have the little halos on there, like that, and that it was running all the way to the bottom. So I had to cut all this damn zip ties, because you know zip ties do save lives. If you know, you know. But now, since I do have it all off, I'm actually gonna adjust this right here from the fenders. I know that it wasn't the best fitment. They are from Fly One. The only part that sucks about it, you had to drill your own hose, and I didn't have any help, so it wasn't the best fitment ever. But I'll probably fix it whenever I put on the new light. But I did manage. Oh, that's the old light right there. If someone wants to buy them, let me know. I'll reseal them up and I'll clean them up and all that good stuff. Just throw me an offer in the comments down below. But because I know it wasn't holding up, this is what I did. Sealed it right there. All right, and then I placed it up against this pillar. So now it's good right there. So now if I move it, it's good. I'm just gonna let it sit there so it gets the full, you know what I'm saying. Oh, this one is so clean, man. It's fire. It's valid for sure, bro. Valid. But let's start getting that together. We're gonna mount it, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. All right, now, man. Actually, instead of for the light. Well, I don't know if you guys can see me perfectly. I know I mounted the GoPro to my head. Hehe. But I do know that this one right here has to be mounted in here, and then route the wire to here for the lights, and then to connect to both. But my mom was calling me. I'll call her back later. She will be okay. Let's take these off. Damn it, am I tying it up? Ow. I can't take these off. There you go. But now we can make it easier. We can just get this ready. We can just place this here. We'll actually have to take off. I took off some bolts here. So you gotta take this off. So I can grab this, all these, put them right here. We'll come back with us later. Looks like a mess, bro. I gotta take this one off. It's a little clip right here we gotta take off. I'll go ahead and pop this out real quick. Simple as that. Put it in my pocket. And I think that's it, question mark. I can take this off too. Simple as that. Take it off, you know what I'm saying? This one, never taken this one off before. Maybe by the pins right here. Nope. The hell. All right, I gotta take this off. Hold on, I'll be right back, guys. Let me take this shit off because that's just gonna be annoying. And we're back. figured it out now. We just had to pull it out, which is pretty common sense, but I was just scared because you never know as far as the wires goes. But we gotta take it out. We gotta take out the 10 amp fuse and then replace it with that one right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, run the wire, and then get set up for the headlight. We'll see you guys in a second. All right, so I figured it out. Of course, I got all that. Took out the little fuse, the starter fuse that was in there, and I replaced it with the wire. It was another fuse in there, but I replaced it for the headlight. I ran the wire through here, so this little part right here, plastic portion, whatever the shit is called, is gonna cover this. And there's wire. We gotta connect that in a second. But that's how it looks. That looks really good. I really like those. But now, moment of truth is to see if it works. So let's come over here, get in here. Sorry about it, but also shout out to my girl for getting me the radio. She was making fun of me for the longest time, saying that of course what car wouldn't have a damn double dent in it, you know? Just wouldn't. It doesn't work. So you need one. Let's just turn it over. Now let's turn on the lights. Make sure they work. Well, I didn't turn them on, apparently. Teehee. There you go. Where is he? See them? Right here. Now we're gonna fully turn them on. Well, actually, there's little turn signals. Left turn signal, you know that one. Right turn signal, see how it looks. Fire. That looks good, bro. That's valid. That's valid. Now, see if I can actually turn on the lights. Of course, you see that. Still don't look bad, but we're off with those. And now we're in with these. Sheesh. They look fire. Which one you think, bro? Left? Right side? I think left side. Left side got it for sure. But let's finish up all the wiring. Let's do that other right side. I mean the driver's side. And we'll go from there, man. And I will show you guys the aftermath of what it looks like. Look at that Christmas tree. If my car was ever like that, I'd be devastated. Let's not jinx it though. Let's turn it off. Apparently my lights are on. Hey, look who's here. My girlfriend's here. She's like, let's see her reaction. There she goes.
You see what I got for food?
Oh, apparently she got me food. So let's see what she got. What? That's a gas station chicken.
It's so good.
This thing's fire. But look, what do you think?
It looks super good. Way better.
It now works now. It was perfect.
I saw you testing your blinker earlier.
I did. I know. I saw it. I was like, dang. Look at the big difference. The left side, the right side. But now it's of connecting all the wires, moving it from the left side to the right side, and taking that one off and adjusting the fenders. And that's it. I'll be done in the next 30 minutes to an hour. Shouldn't be that much. All right, guys. I am actually done installing the headlights. It was no biggie. It's just a plug and play type deal. I just had to do a little minor adjustments on my end because of the fenders. But other than that, man, it looks freaking great. Look at that. If you don't have these lights, man, I strongly do recommend them. Shout out to my boy Bobby. I'll put his Instagram down below, as well as Morimoto's, and of course the team and gentlemen's. Man, I'm really happy how the lights came out. The fitment is great. Oh man, people don't even know that I put them on. Well, now everyone knows because it's uploaded. But other than that, man, have nothing much to do left to it. Now that the lights are on, I just gotta put the the bumper on, plug it up, all that other good stuff, bolt it, clean all this stuff up. But other than that, man, that's it. Lights look good, car looks good, and I can't wait to bring it out to the car meet so I can finally see the new lights that are on. Man, I'm just really excited. But as of now, man, that's gonna be it for today's video. What's going on, guys? It is the next day now. It was like 4 p.m, something like that, you know what I'm saying? But now the car is all cleaned up. I managed to wash it this morning before doing all my errands, but here it is. See that? See how shiny that is? Shiny? Bam, you won't even notice. But let's actually show you guys what it looks like. Look at that. Look at that. Clean like her daddy, aka me. Hee hee. But man, car looks immaculate. You see that? You see that? Jesus Christ. Ooh, buddy. But look at that. Oh boy, I'm fancy. But you see, that's the final product. Car is all cleaned up. Lights are installed. Fitment is perfect. I love it. Couldn't go any wrong, man. But that's it. That's gonna be it for the video, guys. Closing it out here. I got some stuff to do. Gotta run a few more errands with my girlfriend, but we might go buy some furniture. But other than that, man, yeah, that's it. That's for the install. I guess I'll catch you guys in the next video. There is another install coming up, so you guys stay tuned. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the video, and let me know what you guys want to see next.